I recently got the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I absolutely love Casely cases. I got this print in the bold style case, so it has even extra protection. You can see on the inside it has like that grip, but super easy to put your phone inside. Just kind of snaps down in there. And what I love about this case is how much protection it has. So it comes over your phone. I do have a screen protector on mine, but it does come over it where if you drop it, it does not actually touch the screen. And then on the back of it, I love how much camera protection it has. So as you can see, the case comes up over the camera. So if you drop it, it does protect your camera as well. I love how easy the buttons are to still push your volume up and down. And then it does have that cutout spot for the easy to access camera now as well. But I just love this print. I think it's a simple blue and white stripe. I love that this is silky. It's MagSafe. So I do have like a little MagSafe holder that I put on the back, or your charger. This is MagSafe. So really, really nice. Really, it's like put well together and very sturdy. But I absolutely love Casely cases and loved this one for the new 17 Pro Max. I highly recommend.